Ladies and gentlemen, may I now request Ms. Shikha Srivastava, Director CDOT, for the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm honored to have this opportunity to propose the vote of thanks for the inaugural session of the webinar series on national standards for IoT. We are extremely thankful to our esteemed Secretary Telecom, who has been so kind to grace the occasion despite a very busy schedule. Sir, your inspiring words of motivation have indeed led to a resurgence of energy and enthusiasm amongst us all. Your vision and passion has driven the work done in IT standardization and its policy implementation in India for the benefit of all. You have stressed on the various factors which are affecting the IoT ecosystem development in India, and you have covered factors like standardization for interoperability, for scaling up at the very high level. Then 5G and IoT go hand in hand because of the densities of IoT involved and the bandwidths required for transmitting this more efficiently. Then also you have stressed on the social and economic factors. And finally, you have suggested that an annual event on M2M IoT should be held. We are very thankful to you, sir, for all your inputs, and I'm sure we will take care of the same. We also express our sincere thanks to Shri Kunal Kumar, Mission Director and Joint Secretary, Smart Cities Mission, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, for his august presence and for enlightening us with his thoughts. And he has shown indefatigable zeal and leadership in formalizing the standards and adopting the standards-based deployment of IoT applications in the Indian smart cities ecosystem. We look forward for his cooperation in the future. As he has said that they've already implemented standards, but he feels that more iterations would be required in these standards, more improvisations would be required as and when we face the challenges. We will have to overcome them all together. We wholeheartedly thank Mr. N.G. Subramaniam, Chairman T.S. Desai, for extending support to CDOT in organizing this webinar series and visualizing new dimensions of IoT in various areas. He feels that standardization has helped 100 smart cities deployment in India, but practical challenges, security and privacy concerns are yet to be firmed up and have to be addressed. And we would like to express our sincere thanks to Mr. Enrico Scarron, Chair 1 M2M Steering Committee, for extending wholehearted cooperation to CDOT in contributing to 1 M2M. And he has said that 1 M2M already has support for creation of certification programs, and they would provide this support to India and all the standard organizations in India. We would like to thank Mrs. Deepa Tyagi, Senior DDG TEC, for giving us an idea about the latest trends in the standards of different agencies, starting from ITU to some academia like IISc, are all helping in standardization of IoT. And she has stressed on the fact that standards are very much required for interoperability at all levels to ensure a competitive environment in this area, in the field of IoT. And also she has said that a horizontal platform would be required to break the silos, the vertical silos that have been created We express our heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Rajkumar Upadhyay, Executive Director, CDOT, for enriching the IoT standardization process globally as well as in India, and with the aim of making IoT deployments more transparent. He has stressed that CDOT has been one of the largest contributor to one M2M standard and has developed the CCSP platform, for which we are open for collaborating with everyone, anyone and everyone. So we also express our sincere thanks to all the senior officers of DOT, BSNL, MTNL, BBNL, TEC, ETSI, TSDSI, various government departments and PSUs, CDOT TOT partners, our colleagues from CDOT, all the international guests from around the world who will be delivering their talks in this 2-day conference, in this 4-day conference. We are grateful to the representatives from the press and media for being a part of this event. And I once again extend my heartfelt thanks to all our distinguished guests and dignitaries for their gracious presence. In the end, I would like to place on record the extraordinary efforts of each and every member of the organizing team in the smooth conduct of this session, as well as the impending web series. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. We hereby close this inaugural session